In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a simple Notion expense tracker. This is a great setup if you want a clear, organized way to monitor your spending and keep your budget under control without making things overly complicated. We'll create a tracker that's easy to update, easy to review, and useful for understanding where your money is going each month. Start by creating a new finance or expense tracker page in Notion. Give it a title that makes sense to you, something clear and easy to recognize later. This page will act as the main place where you manage your personal expenses, so keeping it clean and focused will make it much easier to use consistently. Once the page is ready, add a database for your expenses. A table database works especially well here because it lets you enter each expense as its own row and organize your information in a structured way. Think of this database as the heart of your tracker. Every purchase, payment, or money movement you want to monitor will be recorded here. Next, set up the main fields you'll need. Add a field for the date so you know exactly when each expense happened. Add a category field so you can group spending into useful types. Include an amount field for the cost of each expense and make sure it uses a number or currency format so totals are easy to read. Then add a payment method field to track how you paid, such as cash or card. And finally, a notes field for any extra details that may help later, like what the purchase was for or why it mattered. After that, create your main categories. Common examples include food, bills, transport, shopping, and savings. These categories make your tracker much more useful because they help you spot patterns in your spending. If one area is consistently higher than expected, you'll notice it much faster. Now set up a monthly view that filters expenses by month. This makes it easier to focus only on the current period instead of looking at everything at once. A monthly view is especially helpful when you're trying to compare one month to another or check whether your spending is staying within your goals. To make the tracker even more useful, use sum calculations to see your total spending. This gives you an instant snapshot of how much you've spent during the selected period, and it removes the need to calculate everything manually. Finally, review your expenses regularly to control your budget. A tracker only helps if you actually check it. Even a quick review each week or at the end of the month can help you stay aware, make better decisions, and build stronger financial habits over time.